Hey everybody, how you doing out there? It's the one and only Timothy, and I'm doing a fan mail today. Yeah, fan mail. Got doing an unboxing and unpackaging first. Gonna let you guys find out what I got in this box. Here. Let's see. See if I can get it open. Okay. Oh, got some Easter things here. Somebody sent me some Easter stuff. Let's see. Got me some snacks as well. Let's see. Hey, hi there, Timothy. I hope you enjoyed the box of goodies. I know it is very early for Easter. I tried to find St. Patrick's Day themed candy or goodies. The store I went to only had Easter. Oh, that's sad. I got some Easter die kits and thought it might be something fun to do despite the high price eggs. Yeah, it's kind of sad. I also tried to look for the Dr. Pepper strawberry and cream for you to try, but they didn't have any. I noticed that. Some of our stores don't have it either. It's like, wow, that's crazy. Yeah, if anybody knows where I could get that Dr. Pepper strawberry and cream, send it to me, man. Because where I'm at, I can't find it anywhere. Anyway, take care and look forward to a new one. Sarah. Well, thank you, Sarah. I really appreciate it big time for these snacks and everything. I really do. Thank you very much, Sarah. Now I'm going to do an unpackaging here. Got a package here. As well. All right. A beach towel. Ah, cool. A Detroit Lion beach towel. I bet you I know who this is from. Brian. Yeah. Hey, Tim, I hope you enjoyed this towel as much as I enjoy your content. You are truly a great person, and I look forward to your videos every single day. Thanks for being so great. From Brian C. Well, thank you, Brian. I really appreciate it. Got a Detroit Lions beach towel, people. Yeah, wasn't that nice of Brian and Sarah? Yeah, I think so. That was sweet of Brian and Sarah to do that for me. Again, thank you, Brian and Sarah. I really appreciate it, big time. That's one good thing I don't have to go out and get is diaper eggs. That is for sure. But hey, you know, if anybody knows where I could get that one Dr. Pepper, can you send it to me? I would really, really appreciate it if you could send it to me. Because where I'm at, I can't find it. I really can't. I could not find it anywhere. But yeah, if you got it where you're at, or if you can find it, send it. I would love it. If you could do that for me. Big time. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this unboxing and unpackaging. And if you did, can you go thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this video, can you hit that red subscribe button down there and subscribe to my channel and check out my videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next video, they call me Unboxing Unpackaging with Timothy. And this video's over. Have a good one, people. And take care of yourself.